My thoughtful neighbor and his dog dropped off my plant mail today. I ordered this plant from my favorite seller in Florida, and her packaging is always impeccable. She always includes a beautiful postcard and stickers inside the box, and I must admit I have a lot of collections of her plants and her stuff. The plants were shipped using UPS ground, and it took 3 full days for the box to arrive from Florida to Delaware. The temperature today is 55 degrees, so it does not need to have a heat pack inside the box. The plant was wrapped with cottons to ensure the leaf stay put inside the box. This is Philodendron Sodiroi. I believe this is a true Sodiroi because it is a climber. I hope you enjoyed this plant unboxing video, and please like and subscribe to my channel to see more plant unboxing videos and DIY plant projects. See you soon.